Today I'm using Starrily's Diamond Rain, and this is a Kelly and Marissa collab shade, and I'm using the Hello Taco Rainbow Snow. I already have base coat on my nails. I'm going to put some rainbow snow on a piece of plastic right here. And I'm going to use a fine-tipped nail art brush. I'm going to start out with an accent nail. I'm just going to kind of put a little dot of rainbow snow in the center of my nail. And, you know, doing this upside down on camera, I'm hoping that's the center of my nail. Because if not, it's not going to work out looking right. Okay, and then I'm just gonna draw like a triangle. And then just fill it in. Now I'm going to do the same thing with Diamond Rain. I actually didn't need a second coat of rainbow snow. It was thick enough, the part that I put on. I need to flip it this way. So I'm just gonna fill this in with a couple of coats of Diamond Rain. Okay, and I think that's the look. Yep, that's the look I was aiming for. So the accent nail is done. Basically, that's it for that nail, and I will just put Diamond Rain on my pinky finger here. I meant to say rainbow snow. Looks like it needs about 2 coats. Okay, and Diamond Rain was named after, actually it rains diamonds on Neptune and Uranus. Funny fact, my mom said, oh, that would be fun. And I said, yeah, not really. I mean, we're not talking about like the cut gem. If it were to rain diamonds here, it would be like big chunks of rock falling from the sky, and I'm pretty sure it would not feel real good. However, this polish is simply gorgeous. I mean, I know that there's like no way that the camera is going to capture how beautiful it is. Unfortunately, it's so sparkly and so gorgeous and such a rich, deep blue, but, you know, not like a black blue. It's just like a really cool jewel toned, I can't even talk, jewel toned blue. And I believe it only needs like one coat. I might put like a thin second coat, but this is really beautiful. I'm just going to put a second coat of Diamond Rain on all of my nails. Now I'm going to add a fast drying top coat to all of my nails. Here is my finished mani. I've been seeing a lot of designs like this, like the accent nail on Instagram, and I just kind of wanted to try it out. So actually I'm pretty pleased with how it looks. Next time I'll do something a little bit different. Wow, this is really picking up the hollow of the hollow snow. Pretty good. And this angle is actually picking up a lot of the Diamond Rain. Actually, that's pretty much what it looks like. It's more sparkly, obviously. You're not getting the actual sparkle in this video, but it does pretty much look like that, just like super sparkly. So anyways, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe. And thank you for watching. Bye for now.